Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to share some information related to State Farm Insurance. You should buy their policy or not. Is this brand really good for your policy related documentation or not? Their claim ratio, each and everything we are going to discuss about this platform. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this platform availability, this platform is approx like 30 years from now, and in the period of 30 years they have good repute on the internet. Okay, they have good reputation on the internet. Okay, and if we talk about this platform, basically this is a very popular insurance company. And what you can do, what is farm insurance claim ratio? You can see this thing. Okay, claim ratio. So you can see over here the claim ratio. The state group has been high claim ratios with 224, like 118% and 115%, 100%, and there are lots of, you can say, like things which is available on internet that is approx 100%, you can say, like claim ratio. Okay, so when any business related to insurance, if the claim ratio is really good, like approx 90 to 80 to 95 to 100, between 95 to above, then it means the company is really good. Okay, but if we think about like you should buy any insurance or not, so there are some problems also. Like this profile is listed on, this business is listed on Trustpilot. So what you can do, you can check out their negative reviews, because they have lots of negative reviews and there are lots of negative complaints is coming related to policy claims. So there are some, we can say, like their terms and conditions. So you should read their reviews, you should check their reviews, why they are getting negative reviews. Because when we checking their negative reviews on Trustpilot, we found that some of the users is complaining like they are not getting their claims due to, there are lots of reasons they have mentioned, like you can say, like gas leak and all. There are lots of reasons mentioned. So what you can do, you can check their reviews. If your problem is available in their section, then you can contact them and you can clear this thing. Is your problem covered in your policy or not? Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.